Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to buy new XYZ domain. So now I go to my browser and I type my desired domain name with extension. I want to buy my domain Itkhansunny.xyz. Then I click on search. It will show me that it is available or not. It show me that it is available. So I click on add to cart. So it is go to cart. So I click on view cart. I do not add these services. So I click on continue. Then I add a promo code XYZ52 and click on apply. After that, this domain price is decreasing to $0.98. So I click on checkout. In the checkout page, it asks me permission to pay. So I click on pay now button. So payment is processing. It take few minutes to active my domain. So I need to wait to active my domain. After active, I can use this domain. That was my video. In this video, I will show you how to buy new XYZ domain from Spaceship. Thank you for watching this video.